Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Sharma and I am back with the part 3 of the Seaborn library of Python. So let's get started. First of all, we will import Seaborn as SNS, and then we will import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt and execute. So we have imported. So today we are going to learn how to make a histogram. Histogram is like the bar graph only, but it don't have gaps between them. Like the bar graph have gaps, but the histogram don't. Okay, so we'll give the heading histograms. Okay, and run. Over here, histograms. So first of all, we will learn how to create them. We will let's take the penguins data set. Okay, we're going to take the penguins data set and then just import it. Okay, just let's make a variable df sns dot load. Okay, dot load dot load and underscore data set, and then over here we will write d okay, just a second, data set, and then let's just give penguins, and now let's execute df. So just we have called df, and over here we have got our penguins data set. Now over here, like, we are going to make the histogram for the flipper's length, and we want the count of it, the count of the flipper's length. So we will make a histogram. To create a histogram, we will write sns dot this plot. Okay, this plot, and then over here brackets, and then the variable in which the values are stored, df, then the square brackets, and then we have to give the flipper's length. So we will write flipper's length over here and execute. So just we'll write plt dot show and execute. Okay, so over here I've got my count. This is my count and this is my flipper's length, and I've given over here my flipper's length. Now over here, while creating this histogram, I over here there is a wrong, this is at a wrong place. This, the bars of the histogram, these are at wrong places. Like, this is one after 171 is get made, and then it's center point, and then like this it's really unorganized. So we will use the bins function, the bins parameter. So we will write bins parameter, and this will help us to make the histogram in a perfect order. So let's just copy and paste it here, comma, and we will write bins is equal to, and we will give the values. Like, we have to do start from 170. I want it like this. Like, I want to start from 170 and one bar will go till 180, and then start from 180 till 190 to then 190 to 200, like this. So we will get the values 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, and we will give one more 240 over here. And now let's execute. Over here we have got the result as we wanted. just ignore this. So over here 170 and 180 in the center over here, and then 180, 190 over here we have got a bar, 190, 200 we have got a bar over here. Not like this unorganized pattern, we have got an organized pattern. So this is how the histogram looks. If you wanted to see it, this is how we make a histogram, and we always make it like in a perfect format, and it has no space between the bars, as you can see over here. So now, okay, just a second. If I want to change the color of this histogram, so to change the color, what will I do is just there's a color parameter. So I will write color. Okay, just let's give the heading also. Uh, changing changing the color. Okay, color. Heading. Okay, and run. So over here, as we can see that, okay, over here we will write color, then is equals to, let's give, I want to be red because it's by default blue, and over here we got red. And if we try this, like we have done like this now, of course, that we make a variable and then store some colors in it, like they are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I have to give 7 colors: red, green, uh, yellow, blue, and hot pink. Like, let's try one more color. One, two, three, four, five. Uh, purple. Uh, magenta. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and over here we'll give C and execute. Over here you can see the value error that it should have the length of 3 or 4, or let's, and if we try to give like 3 colors over here, 3 colors, so it will still give a value error that this is an invalid argument, we cannot pass like this argument, so we cannot make the uh, histogram in different colors. We have to like write over here, if we write hot pink, and then just I'll remove this. Okay, yeah, execute. I've got my colors. So this is how we can just create our colors and give our colors. Now there's one more parameter. Okay, and that parameter is called KDE parameter. So first of all we will give the heading KDE parameter, and let's just execute it as a heading. Let's give it a heading. Okay, so KDE parameter is used to show the depth. So like there are lines like over here, like if it is like this, it will go up, then to the point, then it's coming down, then up, then down again, like this it will be represented. So I'll just copy this and paste it here, and I'll just write KDE and execute. Okay. Okay, KDE, and we will do is equals to TRUE, true. Okay, true is not defined. True. And if we execute, over here you can see that we have the lines that it was going up, then came to a over here it came, and then go over here it's at the top, and then over here down and up and down, fully down. Like this it worked. Now if we do it, over here we write false again, false, this will nothing will come, it will just be like this. So KDE parameter is used to show the depth that it's going down, up, down. Okay, so the histogram, we can use the histogram to show whether it's the company is doing loss or profit. So we can make that graph, and then the KDE parameter will show like it's going to the top, and then uh, it has profit and then loss, then profit, then loss. Like this it will show. I'm just taking an example of a company that has profits and loss. So like this, and if we do the KDE false, it will nothing will come. Okay, so today we have learned about the histogram, how to create it, and we have took our penguins data set, and first of all we have learned how to create it. Then we have used the uh, bins parameter, how to just uh, uh, give it in a proper format. And then over here we have learned how to change the color, and we have learned about the KDE parameter. Okay, so this is we have learned about the Seaborn library. This is all. Okay, thank you. Let me get new topics for you.